What's up, you guys? Back again with another video, and I'm just doing an update on my four-wheeler. Got the snorkel risers installed and the lift kit installed. I told you guys whenever I get something new on my four-wheeler, I'm gonna make a video on it, showing you guys now. And the snorkel risers, 2 inches. Very good job. They did a good job on snorkel risers. I thought the HL on the side was gonna be orange, but I forgot. They told me in the description when I ordered them that they were gonna be black. But they did a pretty good job on snorkel risers. And I got a 2-inch lift too. See a little bracket right there? That's the 2-inch lift. I run on this side too. Might run some bigger tires later on in the future. Don't know. And the 2-inch lift in the back. That big metal part right there too. And on the back, they told me with the 2-inch lift that if I didn't put some wheel spacers on it, it would have been scrubbing my snorkel. So I had to order the wheel spacers at the last minute so it wouldn't be scrubbing the snorkel pipe over there, or the snorkel hose. But I got 1.5 inch wheel spacers in the back. I ain't got none in the front. Still looking good, pretty good. Need some mud to go in now. Shoot, I ain't got none. Well, yeah, guys, just want to update you on the ATV, snorkel risers, lift kit, pipe, all 3 of them down. Next up, most likely gonna be some rims. Get these factory rims off here and put some aftermarket rims. Get me a winch. Most likely get me a winch. And I forgot to check. Let me check. Hold on. Did they do it? I don't know. I can't tell. I'm checking, you guys, see if they put the LED headlight bulbs in. Nope, it's still orange. So that's what I gotta do when I go back to Greenville. Make sure I get those headlight bulbs and put them in. And yeah, I'm almost complete with my build. Takes time. That's all I wanted to let you guys know, that the snorkel risers came in. They're looking good. The lift kit, both. And thank you guys for tuning in to this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.